Welcome to my video series. If you didn't know, I live in the south of England and I decided I needed to go and see all my friends on a nice big loop. So this video series features wet weather, breakdowns, some drone shots, some not very good drone shots, and some group ride chaos. Alright. It is currently 7:15 in the morning. I've already packed up. Weather forecast goes bad from 8. So I woke up at 6, so it's downpour. And as soon as the downpour stops, I was like, right, let's pack up between downpours. And that's what I've done. And then set off in the dry. Got, I think it's half an hour to the boat. I think the boat starts at 7:30 this morning. Get a ferry. I've cut my route short a bit today. Because I don't want to do any more miles than absolutely necessary today. That was quite a bit of chop on that crossing and I was getting quite ill. Luckily I didn't eat anything. And then of course, rain, and I had to nurse my bike with its still dodgy chain grinding away and just trying to do very easy, gentle motions with the bike. And yes, unfortunately there was a road closure, a landslide or something. And just all this diesel or petrol or something spilled everywhere. Probably from an overfilled camper van with its cap not securely on. Gee, slip as anything. After a refuel at the Green Welly, I made my way up to Dingwall for Tesco's, got some supplies, got some more fuel, and then headed over down to Gailloch. Of course, my phone stopped working, but it's only like 3 turns to get there. It's very windy here. Behind me, there's something interesting in the tree. It's my drone. And it's just out of reach, and I've tried shaking the branch and it won't fall. Help, ladder time, big stick maybe. Big stick, I need to find a stick. Hire a local to get your drone out the tree. I can't believe, you got it? You got it, hooray!
Can I toss that down to you?
Thank you. Well, after a very long and wet ride, I finally nursed my bike to my mate's house. And yeah, now I can order the bits and just wait for a few days for them to hopefully arrive.